Hi guys, I'm Jesse at Strobepro and Strobepro.com, and today I'm going to be showing you the Reflector Arm version 2. We've made several improvements to this, including stronger clips, we've made the length shorter, and we'll get into those features in a minute. First of all, let's install this onto a light stand. You're going to have two parts that come with the reflector arm. You're going to have the mounting bracket and then the arm itself. You can buy a stand in the kit, but it's not included. It's a separate item. This bracket will fit on any standard spigot stand. So if you've got a stand laying around, you can use it on that. Just make sure that you're using a stand that's got a wide enough base, because putting a reflector on here makes it a little top heavy. So we recommend like the Strobepro 9-foot air cushion light stand at a minimum. To install the bracket onto the light stand, all we're going to be doing, back off the bottom knob here, and this is going to go straight on top of the spigot. So once that's backed off, this guy just drops on, tighten it down, and now the bracket is tight. You're going to notice a bunch of different holes on the bracket here, and we're going to be using this set right here for the arm to go through. So once you back this off, you'll notice that it's spring mounted, okay? So it's easy to get off, and you'll see this little knob right here, that lines up so you know you're in the right position. So to find which one we're using, just go through here. You can insert it until it grabs properly on there. So to control the depth, we usually set it, just kind of past the logo here, and then just tighten this guy down. And this uses metal teeth in here, so it's super strong. Once that's tightened, we're ready to put the reflector on. We're going to use the Strobepro 32-inch 5-in-1 reflector. This will fit a 43 and even larger reflectors if you have them. So first thing that we need to do is adjust the clip into the right position. So this can slide up and down the arm and then lock into position. So we need to turn it sideways here to be able to grab the reflector. Then we need to bring our length out. We don't know exactly where that's going to be positioned, so we'll just leave that loose for a minute until we put the reflector on. So all we do, find basically the middle of the reflector, take the clamp here, and just put that, if it's in the way you can move it, clamp right on there. And it's a super strong clamp, so you can use this in the wind a lot easier. Then tighten that position down. So we don't really know the exact length yet, so we're just going to extend the sections until we get the reflector to the end. And again, I'm keeping those loose right now just until we determine our length. So I'm going to loosen that guy off, loosen this guy off. And then once we find kind of the middle, open up the clamp here, slide it back on and lock it. Then we can tighten everything down, our depth, and now we're ready to go. So to change position of the reflector, all we do is we come back over here to the knob, loosen that off. Now we can change the position of the reflector wherever we want it to catch the light, like that. Once we have the position we want, simply tighten it back down, and we're good to go. You'll also notice on the end here, a lot of people ask what this piece is for. This is a standard spigot, so we can put different accessories on there. And underneath the black cap, you're going to see a 1/4-inch thread. So a lot of people like using this if, say they're shooting audio and need like a boom mic or something. You can put your mic right on there, send it up overhead. So it's just another convenient piece to have on there. To take this guy down, it's the exact same way. We're just going to unclip the back, unclip the front, reflectors down, and then slide all the pieces back in. I like to keep the bracket on here but you can take it off. So then we've just got one piece, so we don't have to put the bracket in every single time. So from there, you've got your reflector, you're ready to go. So check out the Strobepro Reflector Arm version 2 at Strobepro and Strobepro.com. Until next time, I'm Jesse.